enlargement of P wave, it means what? It indicates enlargement of atria. Okay, if atria are enlarged, there will be enlargement of P wave. Next, enlarged QR wave. It indicates myocardial infarction. Myocardial infarction is nothing but heart attack. So in case of heart attack, the QR wave will be a little bit larger. Okay. Next, elevated ST segment. Elevated ST segment means if the area between S and T it is little bit higher, it shows myocardial infarction and depressed infarction. Okay, and depressed ST segment. When there is a depression in the ST segment, it represents decreased oxygen, insufficient oxygen. Okay, insufficient oxygen to whom? To heart muscles. Okay, and if there is a flat T wave, it shows coronary artery disease. Atherosclerosis or coronary artery disease. In the diseases, we'll give you this. Okay, and tell me if there is no wave. Flat ECG. Okay, there is no wave at all. Directly there is a straight line. Means if there is only a straight line, no waves. Means what? It represents
cardiac arrest.
It shows cardiac arrest. Means no working of heart. And the person is dead, rest in peace. Okay, this is things related to the ECG. Okay, I hope you got the things now related to ECG. The details of ECG we discussed and the related aspects. Okay, so about the heart, everything you know now. Okay, blood vessels were already discussed. Now let us talk about the circulation. You can give the now main heading, circulation. What type of circulation is seen in case of humans?
Closed
Double
circulation.
circulation.
Closed circulatory system. I'm asking about circulation.
Double circulation, sir.
Double circulation, right? Double circulation is a seen in human. And what do you mean by double circulation? Anyone? One person, not all. One person.
Blood is pumped to heart by 2 times.
One second.
Sir, blood reach
Raise
to
the
heart.
hand. Raise the hand. I will tell who should answer. Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
Sir,
Give
blood reach.
Rishikesh.
Sir, blood goes to heart 2 times, sir.
Who is this? Mano Bhargav, right? Is
Yes,
your
sir.
name Rishikesh? I was asking Rishikesh to answer, and you're continuously going on blabbering in between. Next time, without any concern, if you answer, na, I'll remove you from the meeting, Mano Bhargav. Last warning. When I ask someone to answer, only that person should answer, not anyone else. Yeah, Rishikesh.
Sir, first the heart gets the deoxygenated blood first time, and the second time it gets the oxygen, or it pumps the oxygenated blood, sir, out.
Is it being done separately?
No, sir, at a time.
At a time. Okay. So, whatever you said is correct, but not appropriately put into statement. Anyone else who want to try? Except Mano Bhargav. Anyone else? No? So better I'll only give you. Double circulation is during a cardiac cycle. During cardiac cycle. Each cardiac cycle or heartbeat blood passes twice through the heart. Okay, so during every heartbeat, 2 times blood passes through the heart. Okay, why? Because the pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, pulmonary and the systemic circulation are separate. They are separate. Okay, so we can say in double circulation we have 2 types of circulation. Okay, one is pulmonary circulation. In double circulation, 2 types of circulations are seen. One pulmonary circulation means blood given to the lungs and brought from the lungs. Circulation to the lungs. Systemic circulation means blood to the body parts. To the remaining part of the body, again back from the body. So pulmonary circulation is circulation to the lungs. So it starts from right ventricles to pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery to lungs, lungs to pulmonary veins, pulmonary veins again back to left atria. So heart to lungs again back to the heart. So this was a part of heart. From heart it was going to lungs. Again from lungs it came back to heart. Okay. What type of blood went?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxy. And what type of blood has come back?
Oxygenated.
Oxygenated.
In case of systemic circulation, if you see, it is starting from left ventricle, the help of aorta arteries, it is going to the body parts. From body parts, with the help of veins, that is vena cava. Again, it is coming to which part? Right atria. Okay, so we can say that this part heart, heart to body, again from body to the heart. What type of blood was going? Oxygenated. What type of blood has come? Deoxygenated blood. Okay, got it? In a very simple way, we have taken the double circulation, systemic and pulmonary circulation. I don't think so you need to write statements related to this. Okay. Apart from this, there is one more type of circulation present in our body, that is coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is also present. Coronary circulation is nothing but blood supply to walls of heart. Okay, so myocardial layer consists of cardiac muscles, and is supplied with coronary blood vessels. From aorta, coronary artery gives blood. Coronary artery, it sends blood to wall of heart, and from wall of heart, coronary veins, they bring back blood to the heart. From heart, coronary artery, and from to the heart, coronary veins. This is the coronary circulation. Okay. Then one more you have is portal system. One more we have is portal system. So portal system, if you see, portal system, it is a type of special circulatory system. Special type. Okay. Normally what happens is, from the heart, blood goes to one organ. And from that organ, with the help of veins, blood is brought back to the heart, right? But sometimes veins from one organ would heart form a capillary network in other organ. That network is called portal circulation. Okay, so one small example I will show you over here. What we are saying is, let us make it in this format. Let us say that this is the circulation part. Here we make a heart. Okay, and here we make it as some body organ. Here let us say it is a capillary network. This is organ number 1, where the blood is going. Okay, this blood was moving here, and with the help of a capillary network, it reached. Now from here, the deoxygenated blood must return back to the heart normally, right? Normally, it must return back to the heart. This is normal circulation, normal systemic circulation. Okay, but what is happening over here? We said that it is a special type, right? Instead of going directly to the heart, what did it do? It formed a capillary network where? In some other organ. In another organ, again, it formed a capillary network. So it went to another organ, it formed a capillary network. Organ 2. Okay, so now this circulation, okay, it is called as portal system. Okay, and this vein, it is called as portal vein. Okay, now this particular vein, it is bringing back to the heart. So this one is artery. This is vein. Okay, heart, body part, right? Now got the point how a portal circulation is formed? Okay,
Yes,
and the name portal system is named based on the organ in which portal system is formed. Means it will be based upon organ 1 or organ 2, tell me?
Organ 2.
Organ 2. Okay, so in animal kingdom, portal system are of 3 types. Portal system in animal kingdom, they are of 3 types. Okay, 1 hypophyseal portal system. This is 1. Okay, second, renal portal system. Okay, and the third, hepatic portal system. If you see hypophyseal portal system, organ 1 is hypothalamus. And organ 2 is hypophysis. Another name for hypophysis is pituitary. So this portal system is between whom? Between hypothalamus and pituitary. Okay. Then renal portal system. Organ 1 is lower limb. Organ 2 will be kidneys. So between lower limb and kidneys. See, renal portal system, it is found in organisms with less developed kidney and mixed blood circulation. Means it is seen in example for renal portal system, fishes or Pisces and amphibia. It is reduced in reptiles and aves, absent in mammals. In the case of mammals, it is absent. Okay. Whereas hepatic portal system, what will be the organ one? In case of digestion, already it is discussed. Small intestine. Organ two will be liver. Okay. Organ two is liver. So what happens is deoxygenated blood from small intestine comes to liver, right? In the liver, urea formation occurs in the liver. For that, this blood is brought to it. Now tell me, in case of humans, what are the portal systems that are found? Tell me.
Hypophyseal portal system, hepatic portal system.
Hypophyseal as well as hepatic portal system are found in case of humans. Right? Got the point?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear about the portal system? Any doubts related to portal system? Any doubts related to portal system? No?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So the next part we can say that is regulation of cardiac activity. We are left with only regulation of cardiac activity and disorders. Okay.
Good.
Who was it? Sai Krishna, what were you doing? You're not seeing? Rosaket Reddy. You just remind me next time. We'll remove him in the beginning of. We'll remove him. Dhruva Saket Reddy. Again, he came back, na? Coming and leaving. Joining and leaving. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. Do you have any doubts related to your syllabus? Whatever is there in the syllabus based on those topics, if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
For Dhruva Saket Reddy, creating nuisance in the class?
Not me, sir. It was my sister, sir. I'm sorry.
Arey, whether it is you or your sister, it is from your side only, no?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Last time. Why did you unmute yourself? Why did Okay, if you do not related to the class, this chapter will be over. Okay. Okay. Bye.